Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix no JVM could be found on your system in Windows 10. Copy link from description and paste it. Click Windows Online. Open downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.